Hey everyone, this is going to be heart reading, general slash. Sometimes I write Aquarius, sometimes not. It depends on the calling. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. I'm on Instagram till date. Okay. So SSHE LLS shells running. Also, if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal or GPay ID, and UPI ID is there. People from India can do so. It's very difficult, the word that the sentence basically. It's not that easy for someone, okay, maybe to take certain decision, to look in a different direction, to look for self. Like someone who cannot be totally self-centered or selfish, like they are unable to do so here. Now this could be your energy, this could be certain person's energy. Have I said everything that I have to? I need to? Also, this came in a song form. Like, it's not that easy for someone. Like, you take it any rhythm, but the main message is like it's not that easy for someone. Who? You, person, both of you. There is this energy where people are trying, or someone is trying to look in a different direction, but they cannot. Okay, so they want to, but they're unable to look in a different direction. There could be an Aquarius listening to me, of course. Okay, someone is trying to change their present. Does that make sense? Someone over here is trying hard to change their present so that they can see and live better or much better future. So they're trying really hard. Maybe it's connected with work that you are doing. um, there is something connected with someone is trying to figure out the situation, and they're trying like magically things should change, magically something should happen, magically the call should come, or something that they're trying. Like they have the sources, they're collecting it, they're working very hard, and they're trying every bit, with every bit, with every energy like they have, to sustain something as well, and to grow with, to grow that whatever they have right now. um, I don't know. I literally don't know how many of you will pertain with this, but that's how it is. Okay, and it's very difficult for a certain person here, also for someone to deliver their message to you, or can go vice versa. Deliver their message of whatever they feel for you. If it's a love situation, if there's any question in your mind regarding someone, they wish to deliver this particular message. If you're new to the channel, and just to let you know that there are messages on me always, and today it's window. Okay, very simple, nothing 3D effect, but it's just a window. Okay, um, it's a window. Okay, what else is coming? So, have I said that maybe Aquarius could be a listener or a dealer, and I also write sometimes general slash Aquarius because that's the calling, and that I go with the flow. There are some issues going with CCs, captions. Okay, I try, I fix it, I do it like I select English, and then something happens. I don't know. In some videos it does happen, right? In some it doesn't. It's very messy. I'm trying. Okay, so if you can do it at your end, very well, very good. But if it's not happening, um, you know what the message is, that someone over here, they don't have enough words to explain how they feel for you. That's why I said it's not that easy for someone. Like I'm right now sitting and I'm talking and I know the message, but they're saying that it's difficult, so I even cannot grab the words. Like I don't know, because this person is feeling something. Could be like they're giving me the word hodgepodge. Everything is so messy that they cannot figure out that what's what is what, and where they've kept their feelings. Like if That makes sense. Like maybe someone who's listening to me, they're done with things and they're not opening the window and they're just inside and they're taking time to heal for a better comeback, or to say something to someone, or someone is trying to, grab your attention or say something to you, and which is very difficult for them to reach to you, even like you are unreachable, like you're off the grid basically. Even if certain person is having your number or some contact, wherever app, it's not that easy, because even if they send you or vice versa, you're not you're there but you're not there. Okay, you're seeing that notification but you're not ready mentally and emotionally to go and receive it properly, and read it and reciprocate. And I'm also hearing with all of this, direction, compass. Like you don't have this energy to just do like this and go in that direction. Okay, like, or to look in that direction, as of like you're also bored with whatever is happening outside, and you're just done with things right now for a while, for a bit, and you just want to be in your own lane, to be at home, to stay. Maybe some of you have taken a break, like, you might have applied for some off time, break time, like you're taking your leaves or something. That makes sense, okay? Because you just want to spend time with yourself. I see here masculine energy. Okay, let me tell you, for some of the energy here, time is going to change very soon. Okay, it's going to be like you'll know where to move and how to use that compass and direction. Okay, your direction is going to change, and for the better. Now I see here male energy here. When I say male, he, him, 101%, kind of what I'm talking about is like this person, whoever is, maybe they're listening to me, or maybe you're dealing with the one, they wear shirts mostly. They like wearing shirts, but with long sleeves, okay? Like the full version, okay? And they don't like much, or they don't like at all the half sleeves, okay? They like the full ones. So when they wear, they fold it, or they wear it just like that, okay? But they wear shirts more. Um, and maybe this person is connected with you, or this person is you. I don't know, I'm just picking on energy. So they're just taking time off. And this could be feminine energy as well in some way, because okay, I'm seeing what I'm seeing, I'm telling you. But then in energy form also, off time. Yes, look at this, someone is wrapping up. No more effort, no more, I'm done wrapping the work. Wrap up. Possible it's connected with entertainment industry shoots. Look, wrap and move, wrap and move. And mentally also, you need some things to move in a better direction. That's why I said that. So it's also mental preparation. Okay, I'm seeing here new direction for you, definitely, but I'm also seeing here is a fated connection coming, possible in coming time. Okay, I also see a ring here. Ring, of course, definitely ring. Okay, let me show you the ring. So just to the ring. Okay, so it is connected with this ring. Maybe you're engaged or not, maybe it's coming, maybe some proposal offer on proper notes, it's coming, or it has to do something. um, this is coming from, of course, a masculine here, definitely coming, um, for some of you, if it's pending or something, because they keep telling me, they're showing me the ring. Okay, someone is here preparing for the better move. And this is also, I don't know how come, but this Six of Swords energy that I showed you, it's coming as in like a proper communication for some of you, proper communication with this person. Now, yes, like the window that is closed for a while, it's going to open, because when you are ready, then it's going to, because the messages, all the messages or call or anything, it's waiting. Like the effort is outside because someone is doing it. So it's there. Okay. Okay, fine. There's effort outside. Okay, once you are ready and prepared, you're going to receive it. There's a new direction. I'm telling you that for a while you're just preparing yourself, you're taking care of yourself, and whoever this person is, look at this as a top card, seeing this with you, judgment. It's an apology coming, also many things, also a lot of stuff. Okay, they've written, maybe it's just there in inbox, it's waiting. um, they have a lot to tell you. Okay, and I am telling you that they don't have enough, words to explain how they feel for you, but they feel for you. It's like, um, arrival of a page, message, possible calls pending, maybe you're going to see the missed calls, but it's also someone who's going to call you back, but it's also something. It's giving me heavy breathing right now because 11:11 was the timing. I do feel like it is supposed to be coming for a long time, but it's also pending here. I'm telling you that this is decision. Page of Cups could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, listener or dealer. Okay, here, whoever is listening. Even if I write general slash Aquarius, it's for people whoever is having the calling. Please go with the messages because that's more important. I always say when I started my career here as well. Um, the person, the one who think a lot about you, or you're on their mind, they, someone who does have genuine feelings, they're going to call you back, they're going to talk to you again, they're going to message. This is effort, this is something that is waiting for you. Okay, so let's shuffle. It's someone from your recent distant past. I heard the word broker. Is it someone you're dealing with regarding something that you're going to buy, or regarding something that is connected with your memory, maybe some apartment you're selling, contract? That's what they're showing me. They're showing me building. This could be sixth floor, could be fourth floor. In their apartments, someone is selling it or buying, something is going on like that contract. Anyways, this is recent distant past. You're crossing paths with someone. Destiny call, okay, or a destined call again. It's a call back, I'm telling you, and someone who does um, feel this. I had a small burp. Okay, someone had a have this desire to connect with you again. Okay. When I said that there was a small little burp, kind of, it's nighttime. Okay. Um, I had dinner. So with the burp, I feel like you had dinner, a lot of dinners possible with this person if you ever had. Spend time with them. Okay. They invited you, you invited them, and they're seeing you even taking the burp. So it's like being natural in front of each other. Okay, it's not a pretend, it's not that projection of like, oh, you know, something to show off and something to hide. It's not that. It's like the canvas that's already been painted. I don't know what am I talking. What all these messages are coming. I just go with the flow. People who know me, they know that how I read. Okay, new people who are joining, welcome. Yeah, it has to do something with Six of Cups energy. It's a strong memory. Maybe you have history with this person. If that is not the case, it's something that is going to, something is connected with rejuvenation in your life. Okay, also. But for most of you, this is someone coming from, um, connecting with you from recent distant past. Like, especially you're going to um, receive a message. Okay, something is, they're saying like it's going to be stamped, and it's stamped. Something maybe it's coming from far, stamped, like a present, or some, parcel or card or postcard, or um, many people on my channel, they asked me, some people asked me, and many asked in different ways regarding, where we can send you postcard or something we want. If you have the PO box, I've tried figuring that out, but it's not that easy in my area. So, and it's not, I don't know, till date I haven't found proper. I mean, I've searched about that, I've talked about that, figured about that, got the information, but they say that it's the only place here, it's not proper. Something is not getting fixed. So maybe, and I cannot give my full address, of course, on YouTube like that. So um, people who did that, they did send me some gifts. They asked me for my home address, like from where I can collect, and later on. So they've done it, and it was very proper, and it reached to me. So if someone is interested, you can email me first, okay? Because I can collect from that place. So, Six of Cups. What I also am getting from this is nothing. No, nothing. You know what? When I see to the message or card, sometimes they just give me the message and then they shut the door. Go away. Okay. 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 So the arrival is going to be happening. Strong arrival of communication, strong arrival of calls, strong arrival of apologies, strong arrival of, but it's going to be very strong. Strong because maybe you're going to be like, what? Surprise. Strong because it's going to be having a lot of weightage of that they want to talk. Let's see what is coming. Wow. It's a strong arrival. As I said, Two of Cups energy, very heavy reunion for some of you. I have to say it because that's what the door is opening and they're saying. Okay, so heavy reunion for some of you, and they are projecting this energy so strong. Okay. And for some of you, union of some sort, companion, very strong arrival, as I said, strong arrival of wanting to talk to you again, wanting to talk in a better way. 1717 recording time. Oh my, oh my. So you have, look at this, the star. Okay, now everyone is aware this is Aquarius card, but what they're trying to say is a destined, fated, for some encounter, for some union, reunion of some sort, is definitely happening. Now, for some who are waiting for new or something, the companion is coming and they are going to be nervous around you. Listen, players, a girl player or a boy player, they are not going to be nervous at all. That's what I feel. Like they know how to play their game, okay? They know. So they're not going to be nervous. Nervous energies are different, okay? Uh, Now, I may not be right on all, like, what? I don't have words. I go crazy with my English sometimes and I don't know what to do. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. Lost. Someone. So, oh, what? Someone who lost hope regarding love. Regarding love connected with you or just regarding love. They are going to know that this is love. Like, if it's you, you'll know this is love. That's nice, actually. It is nice, actually. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy is here, lister or dealer. But listen, this is going to be a slow burn. It's going to be, it's not going to be just a breaking news and then it's going to go away. No, it's going to go slow, slow. Yes, and this is what is interesting. This connection is going to be consistent, darling, whether it's the past, this recent, or the new. This is going to be consistent and it's going to go, even if slow, but it's going to be going nowhere, but it's going to be staying and going in lane, okay? I think it's a good thing, okay? Look at this. Nine of Cups. You are someone's desire. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are someone's desire and they wish to take this further. Okay, so the Hermit and Ace of Swords. Someone's search is over at you, or on you, or here with you, in front of you. So you are their final destination. Okay, and this is what, whatever is accumulated here, they're going to talk with you, for you, and for both of you, like us. It's becoming us. Okay. um, lot of, it's going to be such a clear communication and a clear version of both you and this person, that it's going to be so clean communication. Like, it's not going to be puzzled, it's not going to be chaotic, it's going to be so clear. So notifications, and then it's like, when you're going to open the door, like, kind of, or the window, basically I talked about the window, and when it's going to be getting open, um, everything is going to fall at place, and everything, you're going to see literally the effort, the talk, and everything is going to be fine. Okay, so take care and see you soon. Bye.